The term free range refers to the open spaces where the animals living in the wild, eating natural foods and soaking up sunlight. However, there is no government regulation in the United States to ensure that this is the case. So how do the farmers raise free-range chickens, or is it just a fancy labeling term for them to market? Let us explore with us through the video below. Discover how to raise millions of free-range chickens. Surely when it comes to free-range chickens, you will think of raising chickens outdoors, in which the chickens are roamed around on the ground. And with this approach, the breeders only need to set up a fence. This is considered the easiest method of raising a free-range chicken, but it is risky for the chickens. As therefore, modern farm will raise the free-range chickens in a different way. This will apply to the commercial chicken farming world, as here, the chickens are still allowed to access the outdoor space, but they will build more greenhouses or automatic moving roofs for the chickens. As inside, they will install the most modern equipment for the chickens, such as good ventilation equipment, adequate lighting, First, after having established a suitable chicken shelter and a pasture site, then you need to choose for yourself a chicken breed that is suitable for the region and produces a high yield. Here they will select the eggs from the best chicken breeds to perform artificial incubation in the machine instead of manual incubation. As during the development, they will provide them with food, such as grains, seeds, beans, fruits, and vegetables. As laying hens or molting hens needed higher protein content, such as mealworms or a fatty dish. As they only take a few minutes to open the door for the chickens every day, but they can still be called free-range chickens because of what the chickens will eat in the wild, such as green plants, wild seeds, and animal food, such as earthworms or insects, all of which are fresher and more nutritious than anything that you can buy outside. as free-range chickens, like many other types of chickens, are raised mainly for eggs and chicken meat. The chickens will also be fattened before sending to the slaughterhouse, and many people believe that raising the chickens free-range does not affect the quality of their meat. After washing, skinning, and feathering the chickens, they remove the internal organs and cut them into different pieces of meat and pack them for sale in the market. Free-range chickens are considered to be more delicious than the industrial chickens raised in captivity. This means that the price of free-range chickens are always higher. The commercial free-range chicken farming model is very successful, helping many farmers to have food to eat. This is the end of our video for today. How do you feel? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe button to support the channel. And for now, goodbye, and see you in the next video.